Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I'm going to talk about something special. Now here's a candle. It's a birthday candle. You use it on a birthday cake. And this thing is called the wick of the candle. See this? This is the wick. And the candle is made of wax. Wax. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to light the candle. Ooh, now you see the candle is lit. Or the candle is lighted. There are two ways to say it. And if you leave it, the candle will burn by itself. If you say the house is lit, it doesn't mean the house is on fire. Okay? That means it's lit bright with lights. Oops. All right. That is a little bit about candle. Have a good day.